Hi, my name is Mark. Today we are going to cover our extensive range of VSGO camera and lens cleaning equipment. VSGO represents the top of the line. VSGO is manufactured in a sterile clean room, and each component is individually vacuum packed so it remains dust free and ready to use. VSGO have created an extensive range of lens cleaning products and kits. They have a complete kit that enables you to travel with everything that you need and is perfect for the camera bag. The second kit is a lens cloth and liquid cleaner, perfect just for keeping the front and rear elements clean of your lens. They also have a straight out cloth if you've already got all the other equipment, perfect for keeping your lens dust free. They also have a lens pen which is designed to help remove dust using a brush, and then on the opposite end they have a carbon fibre pad used to help keep it clean and dust free. And then they also supply liquid cleaner, perfect to keep dust and fingerprints off your lens. VSGO have created a range of excellent dust blowers to keep your lens and body clean. Some of the range come complete with silicone tips to help prevent damage or marks being left on your lens or body. Some of them come with a valve that enables extra pressure to be blown through the duster, and also some of them also come with a one-way valve to prevent dust being reblown back onto your lens. VSGO have an excellent range of cleaning accessories to help keep your camera spotlessly clean. They have two types of gloves. Both are anti-static. The first pair are perfect for cleaning sensors and any part of the body that is sensitive to static electricity. The second pair are carbon fibre. They are thin and are used for areas where extra sensitivity is needed, like the rear LCD screen. They also have dustless cotton swabs. This is perfect to getting into tight spots like filters or the eyepiece. And they also have a microfiber cleaning cloth, perfect for the camera body to keep it dust free and free of marks. VSGO have a comprehensive range of kits to suit most people's needs and camera types. They come starting at a basic level with screen cleaners, brushes and lens cloth, all the way through to a professional level, complete with full-size APS-C or full-frame sensor cleaner swabs, lens cleaner, brushes, blowers and cleaning cloths to keep your camera perfectly clean and tidy. VSGO also supply cleaning equipment for your consumer electronics. They have cleaning equipment for laptops, mobile phones, LCD screens, and that covers your computer screen and rear screen, and they also have contact cleaner for your flash. This concludes our discussion on VSGO. Please feel free to contact us for any further information.